Turn right.
Oh, Jesus, stop.
This is where we got like most of this creepy stuff. Like we'd have a nurse be sitting there and like, I don't know, preparing her coffee while it was over there. And just randomly she'd see someone out of her peripherals and she'd look and then someone tap on her shoulder. And like she was alone in the building. In the other room, someone used to live here before we bought it. His name was Mike. And well, there was this girl who used to...
Maybe it's just a power thing. Now it's gone. You see that?
That's amazing.
He was probably having a nice rest in the chair and you disturbed him. Now he's
I
gone.
was like, right. Hey, my heart's got a nice beat going. Go
Listen, listen. Did you hear that beeping? What is it?
I don't know, I've never heard that before.
It's in there.
Yeah, and I'm paranoid, Mom.
Wasn't it in there?
I think so. It sounded like
He heard it too, okay? I'm not paranoid. I heard something.
I've been here for 4 years and I've never heard that before.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Can you repeat what you just said, please?
I've been here for 4 years and I have never heard that before.
Okay.
It was like a little beeping noise.
You heard it here first, people. He has never heard that noise before. It was coming from there.
Okay, I just gotta check.
You brought your demon book?
Yeah, because, you know, we
So we could identify any demons we might find?
No, so we might be able to do the old-fashioned way.
Oh, no way. Put that away. Put it away now.
Why? It's not a real Ouija board.
I don't care.
And you just have to cover it up to avoid...
That's why I said cover it up. That's all.
I know, but, like, we should use it. You can go downstairs if you're scared. Seriously, we could use my ring as, like, a little thing. We should.
Or not.
Be a good idea. We'll just go back up the room or something if you're scared. What?
What?
I just got one beep. That was weird. I just got one beep and that was it.
That was weird.
Is that where the table was located?
The table, well, we kind of like tore this wall down,
Oh, okay.
but the table was located right there.
Yeah.
So what we should do, like, after we're done investigating and stuff, is just, like, put a cup of water.
Is there like a paper cup? Oh, there's a cup right there. Can we put that on that table with a little water in it?
Sure.
Like, you know, actually fill it with water. Oh, it was stuck to the counter? I wonder who washed that. Obviously, they weren't paying attention to the sign.
Yeah.
So should we set the camera? Should we do the, like, set the camera there?
Okay, so we're gonna leave this cup of water here, right in the middle of the table. Scott said he left it on the edge of the table, but that doesn't matter. So, as you can see, it's filled with water. And there's no wetness. No wetness on the rest of the table at all.
Just got EMF on this and it was very scary. It was right over here. It was, oh my god, it was...
Okay.
I'm not near anything electric. This is in the middle of a hallway.
Come closer this way though, because it went faster.
No, it went faster when I was walking away from it.
Oh. Don't point it at me. I am not standing in a ghost.
It's over there though.
Oh my god.
What the hell?
Hello? Charles?
Mom, don't piss it off.
Oh no, I'm just fooling around.
It's Henry.
Henry. Oh,
Henry.
That's right. Your dad did tell me about Henry.
Henry, if you're here with us, knock on a wall or give us a reason to believe that you're here. I'll take that.
Yeah.
Holy crap!
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? When she
What?
said give us a reason and it went off.
And then it stopped.
Oh,
What
okay.
the hell? Henry, could you please knock on a wall for us?
He's probably not able to do that kind of thing. Maybe he can just, you know, make his presence known through his energy.
Make my EMF detector go off again.
If it goes off, I'm out of here.
Henry, can you make the EMF detector go off again?
Walk a couple steps.
Henry, are we disturbing you?
Oh.
What?
Yeah, I just heard a knock.
I did. Did you hear that too?
I heard that. That was a solid knock.
Yeah, could be in there.
Well, this is where the nurse is going through, because this is nurse, this is safe.
Oh,
So there's a bunch of medicine and stuff here.
listen. That's the noise. It wasn't the knock. It was.
This is where, it was a nurse alone in the building. It was like, randomly she got the smell of cologne, and she heard her name. Can't remember, I think it was Jill.
Oh, so this is the place.
Yeah, this is where she turned around.
You don't have a key for that?
This stairway and the basement stairway, right in front of the basement door.
Smoking like plastic down, so. It's so weird, just a random brick wall.
Oh shit.
What was it?
Something came from the roof. Did you hear
Listen.
that scraping?
Wait. Just did it again. Hang on a second. I thought it was you. No, it wasn't him. The hell?
The hell? There is no one up there.
Just look around there. There's no one up there.
Come on.
There's no one up there. We were just up there.
Wait and see if it does it again. If we go up there and we see.
We should go up.
There's nobody in this building, right?
Just my dad, but he's in the kitchen.
Yeah, and that's the
Downstairs.
kitchen. There's no one up there. We were just up there and there was no one up there.
Tell your dad to come up here.
We should go up there.
Tell your dad to come up here now. If he's free.
Why?
Tell him to come this way. I don't want to go back up there.
You scared?
Well, did you hear that?
Here.
I don't know what that scraping was.
You just chill here then. I'll take the camera. And
These things are not for me. You should leave some off.
yeah. Oh, it's in here. So.
I've seen enough horror movies too, and I'm not going to be the last one in line. No.
Okay then. Okay then. You take the camera. Then if you're coming with us,
Did you hear that one?
Yes?
we're going to investigate that. You can. It sounded like someone dragging a table across the thing.
The table that you dragged and put.
No, that was.
Shh.
There's.
Jesus H. Christ.
There was people ready to go.
Oh my god.
Who is it? Shh.
Were you guys just up here?
No,
You just arrived right now?
just walked through the door.
Why?
Dude, that was creepy. We're ghost hunting. And we were
Where's the
like,
thing? Oh. Jesus.
One of the other girls that had the machine went off like crazy in this room. We had a medium actually go in this room.
We couldn't get in there.
That was the one that we were talking
No, that one. Yeah, that one.
The what?
Your coffee like got spilled and stuff in there.
Remember when the coffee cup was still
First room.
We got like a cup of water.
Oh no. What?
My soul.
Oh! What? Put the cup on the
Oh, come on! Oh, did you do that?
I was standing there with you guys.
You just heard it. You just heard it.
I know, I heard it.
It's full of water. Oh, you were trying to redo
Scott, it was in the middle of the table. It was right here.
I'm like crying at the same time. I don't know what to be happier.
Did you?
No, I was literally standing.
No, he was standing right there. You didn't. You saw him standing right there.
See, I tell you, this room.
Oh my god, right as we were talking about it too.
This is the room.
We were just talking
And
about
in
it.
fact, that sideboard I told you the story about.
God.
Right where the table is. We stood right here, and then we walked to the front. And when we came back, it was all the coffee was out, but the cup was still standing.
Oh my god.
I didn't want to go look.
I wanted to because I didn't.
I thought you were gonna pee yourself.
I know. Oh my god.
That's
creepy. That's creepy.
I can't believe
going
that
home.
just happened.
No.
Folks just left.
Don't leave yet. Wait, we're almost done, right? I don't want him to go yet.
No, you kidding me? It's just getting good.
Have you gone into the back rooms?
Which ones?
The next two rooms?
Yeah, we did.
What is your EMT thing? Let me see that.
EMF.
EMF.
I was standing right where
It
you
detects electromagnetic fields.
Let me get the cup so I can get a good shot of it.
randomly decided to go off.
Okay, so you remember when we had this cup? We had this cup filled with water right on this table, in the middle of this table, and we were just standing out in the hallway, and we heard a noise, and we came in, and it was there. No one was in this room. We came in, there was nobody in this room. Oh my god. There's nothing spilled anyway. There's nothing spilled at all. Save, never mind. There was another room that...
Oh, I think a cup being moved from one table to the next.
That was a loud noise too, like it dropped, but there's no water spilled.
Yeah, I heard that noise too.
I hope that noise got picked up on camera. Oh my god.
Was the water like shaking?
No,
It was perfectly.
it was perfectly
Figure out
still.
what you guys are talking about, and I realized that there's water in the cup. Perfectly still.
But you didn't realize it had been moved from that table where...
No, I tried to figure out what it was that you girls were thinking was all exciting. And then you're like, it was in the middle of the table. I'm like,
Yeah, because we knew that was the table that you put your coffee on. Okay, so I'm gonna explain to the camera. He put his coffee on the table there, and he like went away for a couple minutes, and then he came back, and the coffee was like completely spilled around the cup. There was nothing in the cup, but the cup was just pretty much sitting in a pile of coffee.
Where's that hallway where this goes off? Which one is that?
Yeah, okay, we're gonna leave that cup there again. See? Dude, I feel like I'm in a horror movie and I'm gonna die. It's pulsing a little bit.
did you go in the basement yet?
We were.
It's Mason's electromagnetism.
Why?
She's not even moving it and it's going faster.
Does that mean something's coming closer?
Yeah.
It's beeping faster and she's not even moving it.
And
And it stops. Which means it has reached its destination.
Or pass by?
And now it's not there.
Isn't that cool? You guys gotta go in the basement. I told you, Karaman.
Yeah, we were on our way down to the basement when we heard.
right, Cameron stories. Those are creepy.
Yeah, he freaked right out. He said, when they get done with the basement, he said, I will never step foot in this
I
basement.
don't know if I want to
ever."
go down there.
I do.
It's creepy.
Do you have the keys? It's cool.
Well, then
I got
just
the keys. Come on.
stick with Scott.
He's going.
Okay, then come with us. Yeah, we were on our way down to the basement when we heard the scraping, like table dragging and stuff, and we're like just sat there and kind of like listened to that for a little bit, and then we kind of decided to just like come back up and investigate. My mom was so against it. She's like, I don't want to go back up, but we made her do it. And then yeah, and then we heard the.
Jesus.
Amen.
Trying to tell us something, or? What's that say?
P.O. Box 10. It's gone now.
Yo, look at little Mason. He's so cute.
Little Justin Bieber. Hey.
I'm trying to take it down.
Oh, you're just ruining it.
Yeah, I know.
It's my photo, not yours.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
Nah.
What you do close? Oh, you couldn't smell the basement at all.
That's creepy. Look at these dead little eyes. It's old.
Now, where are the power sources down here?
Woo.
Over there, the boys coming
This is a very dusty mirror. Dude, this corner looks exactly like that corner that the guy was standing in Blair Witch when he died.
Where are you?
Oh, over here. Dude, that looks exactly like... No, wait, what is the chick's name? Heather? I'll be Heather. Mike! Mike! And dead. But I didn't die, which is good. Because that would have sucked. I'm a camera light too.
My turn.
Dude, you think this place would be like the most haunted? This is like the creepiest place.
Oh man, yeah.
I love how there's just a random, like, doctor's mask right there. Why are there handprints on the wall? That is freaking creepy. There are handprints on the wall. What the hell? Don't die.
You know what funny thing is? I was just down here 2-3 weeks ago and I'm pretty positive those weren't there.
Are you serious? Holy shit.
When I finish the building.
Yeah, pipes.
Why would they?
I don't know. I have no idea. That's... See the There's some creepy handprints over here on the wall. I'm not joking.
The white ones?
Yeah.
I just put those there the other day.
Oh, God. Me and Mason were just like, oh, that's creepy. And Mason's like, yeah, I just came down here like a couple weeks ago and I'm pretty sure those weren't there.
I literally just put those there the other night.
Lots and lots of newspapers. Holy crap.
Old newspapers, like 60s.
What the hell?
It literally took me an alley like 6-7 hours to bring all these down.
Holy crap.
By the bar.
It's the pipes, probably.
What a ridiculous place.
That's weird. Why do the pipes go off? They're not electric.
Real
Watch her turn her head.
Oh, stop!
My mom. That is kind of creepy.
That building is really, really freaky if you're alone upstairs at night.
Oh, yeah.
Like, you
Watch your face appear in this window.
as the curtain moves.
I'd be like, nope! Just trucks of nope, just go nope.
I think it's time to move to Alaska.
Yep.